Cover fire!
Oh no!
Covering fire!
Hey, you didn't catch me on fire.
Yeah!
Move up!
Oh my god! I'm in here! Oh! Move back! Retreat!
I think, hey, someone should go with it. Hey, Josh, we go that way.
Take him off the fucking grid! Let's go and make the greatest war movie ever!
Top of the crown, break the queen, the fatal mistake in your cradle can't shake the dreams. The fire inside of your phonograph, battle with gas, and give you room to breathe, so you're mad at your mask. Everybody's in front, let me see you pumping your fist. Get you up in the back, so when you're rocking with this, come on, keeping it speaking, knocking, jumping, banging, bumping, blazing, hot, calling all freaks.
What the fuck? Betty, Blair?
Ow! I'm out! Shot me in the frickin' knuckle.
This is insane! Are you really gonna abandon this movie? We're supposed to be a unit!
Suck my dick. I'll cradle the balls, stroke the shaft, work the pipe, and swallow the gravy. You got to cross the fucking line. I know who I am!
What?